Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome, student. Today's topic is force. Okay. Now, something around us, for example, a desk or a parked car, are stationary. Desk and a car, stationary. Okay, and they are called, we will say that this desk and car is at rest. Okay, they are in state of rest. Other likes vehicles, the car is at rest. Okay, the vehicles or a fan, they are in motion. They are in motion. Now, that desk, if you want to move the desk, and if we want to move the car, we need, for example, the chair or desk, we want to move the desk, we need to push or pull. Okay, now this desk and this car is at rest. The moving vehicles and fan, they are in motion. They are in motion. The chair is in motion, is at rest. If we want to move the chair from one place, from place A to place B, we have to either push or pull. This act of push or pull, to change the position or to change its state of rest or motion, this is called force. Okay, so what is the definition of force? The act of push or pull is called force. Okay, now there are some effects of force. Are there? What are the some effects of force? Number one, force. With the help of force, we can move anything, move a body. Number two, we can move a body. Number one, look at this. The chair is at rest. This is the object is at rest. By applying a force, the body can move here, position A to position B. Okay, with the help of force, we can stop a moving object. For example, this object, the ball, is coming towards us in that direction. We can stop by applying a force. The car is moving, we apply brakes. Okay, brakes with the help of our muscles or hand. So by applying a brakes, the car can be stopped. Okay, so with the help of force, we can move a body. With the help of force, we can stop or make the body at rest. Okay, number three, we can change the speed of a moving body with the help of force. Change the speed of moving body. Example. What is the example? The body is moving in that direction. Suppose you are riding a cycle. Okay, you're riding a cycle and you want to move, you are moving in that direction. Now by applying, just turning your handle, you can move in that direction. Now you can change your that direction. So direction change also. Okay, this is the direction change. Now you are riding a cycle and moving with 4 kilometer per hour. Now you can change the speed, increase this speed. Okay, increase that speed, that 4 kilometer per hour you're moving. You can increase your speed from 4 to 6 kilometer per hour. You can decrease your speed 0 kilometer per hour. Okay, so we can change the speed by applying a force. Okay, change means we can increase and decrease the speed of a moving object. Okay, increase or decrease the moving object by applying a force. Clear? Now force can change the direction. Next number is number 4. Force can change the direction. Direction means here can change the direction also. Here you are going in that direction by applying your handle, moving your handle or steering. The body, the car is going in that direction. Again here direction change. Here. So with the help of the force, this is one of the effects of force. If you are riding a cycle, then you are applying your muscular force with your hand to the handle, and the handle is moved and your cycle is change the direction. So or a batsman facing a ball, the ball is coming towards the batsman and the batsman hit the ball is going in that direction from here to here. Look at the direction, the ball is coming towards the batsman. This is a batsman. Okay, with his bat, if the batsman hit the ball changes directions. Okay, so this is one of the example of the change of the direction of the motion. So force can change the direction of the motion. Now the next point is force can change the shape. And size. Can change the shape and size. Okay, for example, that a rubber ball. Okay, if you push, apply force, then the rubber ball will change the shape. Shape can be changed. Or rubber band, if you this size, if you push in that direction, the rubber band is stretched. Okay, many examples are there. So force can change the shape and size also. Okay, shape and size also. So these are the some effects of force. Okay, let's recapitulate. What are the effects of force? Number 1, force can stop a moving object. that is rest. Force can move, can produce a motion. Number 3, force can change the speed. Okay. Number 4, force can change the direction of a moving object. Number 5, force can change the shape and size. So these are the effects of force. Hope you have understood. Now unit of force. What are the units of force? Unit of force. Force is a physical quantity that can be measured. Okay, so those quantity which can be measured are physical quantity. The SI unit of force is Newton. Okay, whose symbol is N. 1 Newton is approximately the force you would apply to lift an object of a mass 100 gram. To lift 1 kg, 1 Newton means 1 Newton force is approximately, that is a force applied to lift 100 gram mass. Okay, it's approximately that kind of force. Okay, so 10 Newton is approximately 1000 gram, that is 1 kg. If a body having mass 100 gram, then you will apply approximately 1 Newton force. If a body 1 kg, okay, then you will apply 10 Newton force. So this is the SI unit of force. Question will ask, write the SI unit of force. Answer is Newton. Hope you have understood this one. If you have any kind of question, then you can ask. Okay, inshallah I will sort it out.